Sauté the garlic, a flavorful journey in English learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as flavorful as it is common in cooking conversations. Sauté the garlic. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting phrase. Firstly, let's break down the word sauté. It's a cooking term borrowed from French, meaning to fry quickly in a little hot fat. It's often done in a shallow pan over high heat. The word sauté itself brings an image of a chef elegantly tossing ingredients in a sizzling pan. Remember, the key aspects here are quick frying and little fat. Now, let's talk about garlic. Garlic is a widely used seasoning known for its strong aroma and taste. It's a fundamental ingredient in various cuisines around the world. When a recipe says to sauté the garlic, it usually means to cook it until it's fragrant and lightly golden. This process enhances the flavor, making it a crucial step in many dishes. In English, sauté the garlic is more than just a cooking instruction. It's often used in situations to describe a preparatory step, something that sets the stage for further action. For example, in a business meeting, someone might say, "Let's sauté the garlic by analyzing the market trends." This metaphorically means to start with the basics or initial steps. This phrase also reflects cultural significance. In many cultures, cooking is a communal and significant activity, often used metaphorically in language. You might encounter variations like, "fry the onions," or "brown the meat," each carrying a similar sense of beginning a process or laying a foundation. I hope this video has given you a richer understanding of the phrase, sauté the garlic. It's a wonderful example of how language and culture intertwine, especially in English. Remember, language learning is like cooking. It gets better with practice and a dash of fun. Until our next video, keep practicing and exploring the flavors of English.